Welcome, students. Let us begin chapter number 9 in EVS. The name of the chapter is Food We Eat. In this chapter, we are going to learn about need for food, sources of food, raw and cooked food, food for special occasions, food of different people, and healthy eating habits. So all these things we are going to learn in this chapter. Clear? Now let us begin. Need for food. We all need to eat every day. Do you know why? We need food to live. Yes. We all need to take food every day, no? To eat food every day. Why? Why we need to take food every day? Because we need food to live. To live, we need to take food every day. We need food to grow. Food gives us energy for work and play. Even we need food to grow because food helps us to grow. And food also gives us energy for work and play. When you don't eat food, you feel weak and tired all day. So when you don't take your food, what happens? You feel weak and tired all day. We need food to stay healthy. And one more reason, we need to take food to stay healthy. We eat different kinds of food. We enjoy the taste of some foods. We do not like the taste of some foods. Now, we eat different kinds of food. Yes, we don't take the same kind of food every day. We need to change our food, no? Different kinds of food we take. So, we enjoy the taste. We like the taste of some food and we do not like the taste of some food. That is according to our choice. Now here see, write the names of foods that you like. Now the food which you like, you have to write in this 3 space. And the food which you do not like, you have to write in this space. Now next, sources of food. Do you know where all our food comes from? Our food comes from plants and animals. All our food comes from plants and animals. Okay? Plants give us different foods such as vegetables, fruits, cereals, nuts and pulses. So plants gives us what food plants gives us? Vegetables, fruits, cereals, nuts and pulses. See now, the picture here is given here. And you will be able to understand very nicely. Next, fish, meat, chicken, eggs and milk are foods we get from animals. So these foods we get from animals. We get milk from cows and buffaloes. We get eggs and chickens from hens. We eat the meat of goat and sheep. Now see. So fish, meat, chicken, eggs and milk we get from animals. And we get milk from these 2 animals, cows and buffaloes. And we get eggs and chickens from hens. We eat the meat of goat and sheep. Okay. Now one more thing you have to learn here. People who eat only plant foods and do not eat meat, fish and chickens are called vegetarians. Okay. They are called vegetarians. People who eat meat, fish and chicken are called non-vegetarians. So they are called non-vegetarians. Next, raw and cooked food. What do you mean by raw? Raw means kacha. Okay. Which you do not cook, no? That is raw. Raw and cooked food. Some foods are eaten raw. They need not be cooked. Fruits and some vegetables like carrot, beetroot, radish and tomato can be eaten raw. So these things, carrot, beetroot, radish and tomato, we can eat raw. Without cooking also we can eat, and after cooking also we can eat. In both ways we can eat these things. Okay. Some foods have to be cooked before eating. They cannot be eaten raw. Vegetables like lady's finger, potato, beans and brinjal and other foods like fish, meat and chicken have to be cooked before eating. So here are few names of the food which you cannot eat raw. Okay, you have to cook before eating. So few vegetables names are here, and as well as fish, meat and chicken is also there. So you need to cook all this food before eating. Okay. Meals of the day. We have 3 meals in a day. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. We have it in the morning. So, we have 3 meals in a day. In a day, we take 3 meals. What are they? Breakfast, lunch and dinner. So, breakfast is the first meal of the day and we take it in the morning. Okay? Lunch is the second meal of the day. We have it at noon. So, the second meal of the day is lunch and we have it in the noon time. The last meal of the day is dinner. We have it in the evening. And the last meal is dinner and we take it in the evening. Okay. So 3 meals are there we take in a day. Food of different people. Different families eat different types of food. Abha is a Bengali. She has rice, dal and fish for lunch. Now see, different families have different taste and different choice of food. Okay. Now as she is a Bengali, this girl is a Bengali. She loves to eat what? Rice, dal and fish for lunch. Gokul is from Chennai. He eats rice, sambar and vegetable. Now this boy, he is from Chennai. Okay, so he loves to eat rice, sambar and vegetable. Chirag is a Punjabi. He eats roti and saag every day. Now, Chirag is a Punjabi boy and he loves to eat roti and saag every day. What do the members of your family eat every day at breakfast, lunch and dinner? Now here the space is given. You have to write your favorite breakfast